Hello viewers, welcome to another Excel formula video series. So in this video I will show you how you can convert capital letters into all small letters or lowercase letters. So here you can see here there are some data that includes all capital letters, and also there are also all small letters and the combination of small and capital letters. And here is the another example. You can see there is a passage including capital and small letters. So we can convert all these letters into all small or lowercase letter by using the lower function. So let's do it. So for this we have to write the lower. You can see there is the function name lower, and then select the cell that you want to convert, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see here is an auto suggestion. If I click here, that it will automatically fill here. So you can do it like this. So you can see the Liton Das has already converted into lowercase. So I can just copy this rule like this way. You can see all the letters or all the names converted into the lowercase letter. So you can do this here the same way, in the same way, lower, and then select the cell and then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see here all the words converted into lowercase letter. So this is very useful technique you can use in your work, and I hope you are enjoying my videos. And please subscribe my channel. I will update regularly with different tips and formula of Excel. And my target is I will make 100 plus videos based on different formula that are very useful. So then see you in the next video.